Welcome back to the series on must-do airdrop projects for 2025. Today, I will guide you on how to participate in the airdrop from Beamable, a project that recently raised 13.5 million USD. Don't miss out, as this is a golden opportunity to receive free tokens. Welcome back to the Airdrop Go channel, your go-to source for in-depth information about the most prominent airdrop projects. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to participate in the Beamable Airdrop. So, what makes Beamable so popular? According to my research, Beamable is an online game development platform that helps game developers build and scale games quickly without a complex infrastructure. With integration with Unity and Unreal Engine, this is undoubtedly a project with explosive potential in the future. The exciting news is that on February 4th, 2025, this project successfully raised a whopping $13.5 million in its Series A funding round, led by top-notch investment firms such as Polygon Ventures, Bitcraft Ventures, and more. A project that has secured such significant funding cannot be taken lightly, and participating in their airdrop could yield great rewards for you. This is exactly why the Beamable Airdrop is worth your time. Okay, without keeping you waiting any longer, let's get started. Here are the steps I will follow in this project. First, I will access the project's link. Then I will register an account using my email. Click the Verify Email button. Next, I will check my email to retrieve the verification link. After verifying my email, I will create a username and click the Enter Beamable Network Community Hub button to complete the process. On the main interface of the project, I will click Get Started to complete the tasks, and I will receive the Hub Onboarded status upon completion of all these tasks. First, I will connect my X account. Click on the Keep Going button. Next, I will select Connect Twitter account. I will then choose to authorize the app. After completing this task, the Claim Reward button will appear for me to claim my reward. The next task is to follow the Beamable Network account on X. I will click Keep Going. Then I will click the Follow on Twitter button. Then click Claim Reward to claim my reward. Thus, I have completed the first two tasks. The remaining tasks are similar, so I will skip ahead to save time for you. After finishing the tasks, I will click Claim Reward again to claim the Hub Onboarded reward. Next, I will return to the main interface of the project and scroll down to the Events section, where various tasks will be displayed for you to complete and earn additional points. Click View All here, and the project will display all available tasks. I will choose a suitable task to complete. Here, I see that the SUI Gaming Summit task is open, so I will select Check-in and then choose Claim to complete it. This notification confirms that I have completed it. I will monitor the timing for the other tasks to join in later. Next, I will select the Invite section, where I can use this link to invite more friends to participate in the project, allowing me to earn additional rewards. Then I will proceed to the Earn Points section. Select the Quest category, where I will complete tasks such as retweeting, liking, and commenting on the project's posts to earn more points. Additionally, I will go to the Daily section daily to check in and earn points. After completing all tasks, I will check the leaderboards page to see how I rank compared to others in the community. As you can see, the steps to participate in the Beamable Airdrop are quite simple and familiar to you all. The important thing is to follow all project requirements accurately and thoroughly to ensure you qualify for the rewards. Given Beamable's development potential, obtaining their tokens early through the airdrop could yield significant profits for both you and me in the future. Remember, this opportunity is for those who take action early. So why hesitate? Hurry and access the project link I will provide in the video description to start participating in the airdrop now. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends to join in, and especially subscribe to the Airdrop Go channel so you don't miss out on quality airdrop opportunities and other valuable cryptocurrency market information. Also, if you have any questions regarding the Beamable Airdrop, feel free to leave a comment under the video. I will do my best to respond as soon as possible. Wishing you success in hunting valuable tokens from the Beamable Airdrop. Goodbye, and see you again in the next videos.